Okay. Shutdown sequence for the day-to-day operation of Eagle Eye. Computer, it can go to sleep, so just leave this computer. What you'll do is, it depends if y'all will still be doing it, but you go here, file, exit. So this you do after every show. TriCaster you can leave on probably. So exit. Lightboard, you will click shutdown sequence, yes, or you can do macro 579, enter, and it types it up there. We'll just click yes for y'all. It's gonna flick off all the lights, run a go to queue out, and then shut off everything. It's not liking this. Let's, one second, let me edit this. Two is 4, delete. Select is save. Okay. Shift update is also save. So shutdown settings, yes. Over here, as it goes, you'll see the one second. Be careful in macro editor, you can mess things up really easily. Is 4, delete, save, select, shift update, live, shutdown sequence, yes. Oh, that's random. Okay. Select, shift update, live, shutdown sequence, yes. There. Okay, shutdown over here, click the back arrow. On that one, you won't need to do all that programming I did. You just do it. Shutdown, shutdown, shutdown. Do not turn off any of the monitors. They will all stay on. Leave this power switch up here on. Your touchscreen over here will turn everything off. You'll hear a slight pop whenever TriCaster turns off. So now you can click the button. If it's off one, so if you power it up using that white button over there, then it won't turn off when you think it does here for one click. So you heard that click. That's because it was trying to power it up, but it's already powered up. So then click off. And then up here every 3 seconds, you'll see a relay turn off. And that's all of this stuff that's on. So like 4 was this audio desk. 3 is that stuff. Speakers, control board, thing, power. 2 is all of that. And 1 is the stuff that can be turned off daily in here. TriCaster can be kept running while the sequence is turned off if you need. You don't have to turn TriCaster off. So sequence you'll do like if you're leaving for a few hours or something, or longer. TriCaster you want to shut on like once a day, not really more than that. It shuts off the control surface as well, which is fine to be powered off. And this still has power, but it's turned off. So for the long-term stuff, well, and turn off your cameras for daily stuff. So off, turn off the teleprompter, flick it off, flick it off. For long term, so anything that's a week or long, you'll turn off, pull the power. You should be grabbing the actual plug, not the cord. Unplug everything that comes unplugged. You don't need to unplug any of the lights as long as they're plugged into a power outlet that is one of those black ones with a number, because that's the relays, and that gets turned off with the light board. You'll unplug desk and SDI just in case it gets moved. In case you'll break a cable again, you can just pop in another cable here. You'll unplug the TV, sports TV, and that's almost it. You would then unplug the Mac. Make sure, go around with the remote and make sure all of those TVs are actually turned off, not the off button on the screen. This thing here, TVs, this does not really control the TVs. It just turns them to project a black source, not actually power. So that was more long-term stuff. Long-term, you'll power this off, so just press in, power it off. And then last thing you'll do is you can leave this on or off, it doesn't really matter. You can turn it off if you want. Just make sure you turn it back on. So we'll leave it on so it's on next time. Last thing, flick this off. And then that turns off everything else. That's not a daily, that's the long-term thing. You never touch this, the power button. You never touch this or its power buttons, because this is the backup power for the NAS or the server or network, as Morton calls it. It's a NAS. So NAS, network attached storage. Never plug anything into the back of here because you'll reduce the runtime, and it's set up so all of the data is saved. If there's power outages, this thing, the UPS for the NAS, can handle itself. They talk to each other, so do not do anything thinking that you're helping it. Okay, so now that all of that's off, that's how you turn off everything for daily stuff and for long term. Yeah. That's all.